Hello everyone, Fluffy here. Guess what? I'm back again today. I did manage to eke out another mukbang. It is 6:46 in the evening, and we did some running around, and so we decided we had some coupons for Jack in the Box, and that's what we have today. And I have the ultimate something sandwich. I don't remember. Ultimate, I don't know. And the coupon was buy and get one free. So if I can't get them both eaten, and the only thing that we've had to eat today is the ravioli dish that I made, and I just checked on the uploading, it still has like 32 minutes left to upload, and then I'll have to edit it and get it up to process up. So that should be probably within the next hour and a half, it should be up and ready to go. So like I said, what I have here is the ultimate something. I'll ask my daughter. Maybe she'll whisper it to me. Or maybe y'all recognize it. Oh, and there's ketchup and mustard, and I didn't know, so I'm really not going to enjoy this burger. So, but I'll eat it. No lettuce or tomato. Let me check the other one. Maybe they gave me the wrong burger. I should have asked. And then I got to order a large order of fries, but we didn't go to the Jack in the Box close to our house. We went to the Jack in the Box closest to my mom's house because that's where we were. And so I didn't want the fries to get cold, so I ate them on the way. But there were like 4 left in the bags. My daughter gave them to me. See, they're cold. Now the other one's the same. Ultimate bacon, ultimate cheeseburger. And I don't see any friggin' bacon in here. We were just starting, but let's get started. It's got ketchup and mustard. Good bacon. Good bacon. They're good. I've always liked Jack in the Box's beef. But my daughter got some kind of crispy chicken sandwich, like their ultimate chicken sandwich. That was also buy one get one free. So if I can't finish the second one, I'm not gonna feel so bad. Then I have water. I don't want to show up. God, I'm so hungry. I'm taking like, look, big old hunks. I need to slow down. I'm gonna choke on this video. So what y'all have for dinner? I pulled out some bacon out of the freezer and I was gonna make BLT, but then my mom had given us the Jack in the Box coupons. And they're like, no, for like $13. We got 4 big sandwiches, a curly fry because that was a coupon. I bought a large fry, then you get a curly fry for free. So 4 big burgers, a large order of fries, and a medium order of curly fries for $13. Not bad at all. So mm, 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 mm. first of the month, so we got some bills paid, and we've got some other things going on that I can't really tell you right now, but when the time comes, I will. Not really mukbang related, just things going on behind the scenes. Let me show you the burger. Like I said before, burgers really, after you start chewing them on a while, they don't look very appealing. How's your sandwich? Good, good. She likes chicken. She likes beef, but 7 years ago, she read a book that you went on a diet based on your blood type. And one of the things, her blood type, they discouraged tomatoes for her blood type. Uh, she could do fowl and fish and things like that. And the one thing that she had to cut out was chicken and beef and pork. All three? No, chicken, yes. Beef and pork, no. And so she got to where if she ate anything beef or pork, she got really, really sick because your body gets not used to it. That's kind of like a vegetarian or a vegan all of a sudden eating meat for the first time. So now she still doesn't eat it a whole lot. And if she does, it gives her an upset stomach. And she takes a famotidine like a Pepsid and she's fine, but she'd just rather not eat it and avoid that. So that's why she got the chicken sandwich. And me, I'm any chance I get to eat cow because uh, the wife is to where she only liked chicken breast. She didn't like chicken thighs. So eating together, I didn't get a lot of beef. So every chance I got to get some burger, I would, like that Whataburger. And then beef in a while when I did that Whataburger mukbang. So, I mean, she's not so rigid, my kid, that if all we got is burger, cheap burgers, and we're going to do that like Jack in the Box tacos. It used to be two for 99 cents, but I think now they're two for $1.25 or something like that. I'm still an excellent bargain. It really is. Well, it's got beef in there. Then when you put a pig and a cow together on the same sandwich, please, let's go for it. And remember, I said, well, you'll see. Remember, I said how there was something I needed to tell you in the last. I don't even remember. I still don't remember what it was. This is important. It's another shirt I used to love. I love it because it's like super long. So if I'm in some loose sweatpants, I'm not pulling the baby Huey and become one of those pictures in the faces of Walmart. But it's one of those that I found when I started purging. My daughter, I don't know if I mentioned it, cleaned up the pantry about a week and a half ago. Oh my God, 4 bags of trash. I felt so bad wasting all that food, out of date food. I think she found something that had a date of 2002 on it. 2000, something from Walmart. She goes, Mom, well, it's got that char on it. Mm, mm-mm. That's so good. I'm so hungry. You're eating yours like there's no tomorrow either. Where about that? Let's not talk. Now you know that's when it's good. I have a friend, still works for the state, and he's got fibromyalgia. And guys have it too. I know it's a fallacy that people think that guys can't get it, but they have it. Percentage is low. And for me, though, I think that the percentage is low because men don't like to go to the doctor. And I think a lot more men have it. And if they would go see a doctor for their symptoms, I think the percentage of men that have it would be higher. But anyway, he's got fibro, and he and I've talked about it. And um, he works for the state, and he's on the old male facility that I was at, where you work for and you're off for four. And during his off for, he has a second job. And he's one of those that he's gonna, well, that poem Rage Against the Dying of the Light, he rages against it. And there's nothing wrong with that, except for he not only has the two jobs, and when he's feeling bad, then he'll go to the gym and he'll work his butt off in the gym, and then he's got a flare the next couple of days. Right now, he's trying to fight insomnia. I'm trying to tell him, you warriors know you got to take it easy. And uh, I'm not saying do like me and be a sissy la and just lay it down. It's not what I'm saying. But you got to take it easy. You've got to. So, kind of feel bad for him. And I said, now, that's a big symptom of fibro insomnia, because he had worked both his jobs in the last 24 hours. And he said he should be knocked out and he can't sleep. I told him, insomnia, you're going to get a flare. So he liked my statement, my comment, but, I didn't know if that was I know. I'm with conscience. I love him too much to placate him. Is that proper word usage, kid? Okay. I got to check sometime. She's such a brainiac. Mm, 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 mm. Well, I'm into the second sandwich. I will probably get shoulders on this one. Chubby girls, gluttony, eating two burgers. Oh, well, oh, good. I don't know if I'll eat the whole thing. I feel good. Mm. That's the taste of the burger. I haven't had a burger in a while. I'm trying to think of the last time I had a burger. It might have been a Whataburger, y'all. When I looked at her, she was like I don't remember either. Ooh, that went down a little hard. Are you giving yours any of your sandwich? For me not liking ketchup on my, there's no mustard. I thought there was mustard, but it's ketchup and mayonnaise. For somebody who don't like ketchup on their burger, I'm not letting that stop me. I'll look past that. Why are there naked people on my TV? All right, y'all. Only 17-minute mukbang. I don't know. Sandwich and a half. And I'm like, right here. Did you see me though? I was snarking. Hey everyone. The video cut out because it said I had no more space to do any more videos, so I had to run back real quick and delete a couple of my old videos on the computer to make room to finish up this video. So I'll have to go back and clean up some even more so that I not have this problem or figure out how to use the thumb drive my daughter gave me. So I just wanted to say this is what being out and about. Get your butt together. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. I'm up to 618, I think. Yay! So the next time I'll have the light in front of me. I think this is getting better. So God bless everyone. Positive vibes out to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.